Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for no-nonsense, hilarious, and brutally honest product comparisons. Today, we're diving into the wild and wacky world of mini drones. On the left side of your screen, we have the Holy Stone mini drone, and on the right, the SYMA drone. Let's see which of these buzzing beauties deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone mini drone comes in at a wallet-friendly $36. Meanwhile, the SYMA drone is like, hold my propeller, and swoops in at a whopping $99. For that price, the SYMA better come with a personal butler to fly it for you. Now, let's get to the fun stuff. The Holy Stone is like that kid at the party who knows all the tricks. Toss it, flip it, spin it. This little guy can do it all. And with 3 batteries, you get a solid 21 minutes of fun before it's nap time. Reviewers love its lightweight design and ease of use. The SYMA, on the other hand, is the sophisticated older cousin with a 1080p HD camera and FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. It's basically the drone equivalent of a selfie stick on steroids, and reviewers praise its camera quality and obstacle avoidance. All right, ease of use. Holy Stone is like the training wheels of drones: altitude hold, headless mode, and a protective guard for those inevitable newbie crashes. Perfect for kids, beginners, and that one friend who still can't figure out how to program the TV remote. Reviewers find it easy to set up and fly, although caution is needed to avoid crashes. SYMA, however, cranks it up a notch with optical flow positioning and an app that lets you draw flight paths. It's like giving a GPS to your drone. Reviewers note it might be more suitable for those who can handle the pressure of more buttons and settings. Let's talk battery life. Holy Stone gives you 3 batteries for a total of 21 minutes of flight time. That's enough time to impress your friends before the batteries tap out. Reviewers appreciate the quick recharge time, but the SYMA drone, with its 2 powerful batteries, offers an impressive 40 minutes of flight time. You could practically film a short movie with that. Reviewers highlight its long flight time and decent battery life. Both drones offer some form of protection. Holy Stone has propeller guards to keep your fingers safe and the drone intact. Reviewers note it's durable but caution against improper handling. SYMA also features propeller guards and throws in low voltage and overcurrent protection for good measure. It's like having a drone that's wrapped in bubble wrap but still ready to impress. Reviewers appreciate its durability and safety features. Overall, reviewers find the Holy Stone mini drone to be a fun and affordable choice, especially for beginners and indoor use. It's easy to set up, durable, and offers good value for the price. On the other hand, the SYMA drone is praised for its advanced features, camera quality, and longer flight time, making it a great option for those willing to spend a bit more for a richer experience. So what's the verdict? If you're ballin' on a budget and want some quick, easy fun, the Holy Stone mini drone is your go-to. But if you've got some extra cash to burn and you want to feel like a drone pilot extraordinaire with HD footage to boot, then SYMA is your wingman. That's it for today's episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future comparisons. Drop a comment below on which drone you'd pick, or if you think we missed any crucial details. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.